Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today I've got a really great website to share with you which is all about working from home and working remotely. Now there's hundreds of different companies on there that are advertising and looking for different virtual jobs that you can do from home, and this covers things like IT, it covers marketing, it covers virtual assistants and many more. And I'll go ahead and show you that in a second. Just very quickly, if this is the first time you're on the channel, this here is one of my blogs. It's called Not Taught at School, and as you can see on here, we'll go ahead and we'll share blog posts every day about earning online and working from home. And on the right hand side here you can see we've got a members area. We've got lots of freebies in here. There's PDFs, there's ebooks and courses, so go ahead, put your name and email and you'll get instant access to all of those freebies on here. So let's jump into today's video. So the website we're looking at is this one here called remote.co. Now if you just scroll back up to the top here. So remote.co is basically how it sounds. It's different jobs which are available which you can do remotely, and you've got all these different tabs along the top, and we'll have a look at some of these in a bit. But basically this here is the home page and these are all of the different remote jobs available. Now you can go ahead and you can go into all these different categories on here and via this, and then you can just scroll down the page and it'll give you a snapshot of some of the different remote jobs. So you can see here we've got accounting jobs, and then you click on here and there's more in here. You've got customer service, design, developer, editing, and look, I'm not going to go through all of these, but you get the picture. You can go through and have a look at all of these. Now if we scroll back up here on the right hand side, you've got remote question company in here, blah 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 blah. Let's look at this one here, remote jobs. So if you click on here, this brings up all of the different categories available for the remote jobs. So you simply just go into any of these remote jobs on here which you like, and then you can go through and have a look at the listing. So let's go ahead and have a look at one now. So we'll click on virtual assistant, and I'm picking virtual assistant because in terms of being a virtual assistant for someone, it's pretty simple to get started with. You don't need a lot of qualifications. There's not a lot of criteria that you need to get started as a virtual assistant. So we're now in the virtual assistants tab, and you can scroll down here and it shows you the name of how many hours or days ago this was advertised on here. So simply you just go through and you click on anyone that you want to go ahead and have a look at. So let's say you want to look at this one here, this virtual marketing assistant for this company here called Profit Factory. You can see it's a freelance opportunity and it's available part-time hours. So if we click on here, it'll go in, and some of these are part-time hours, some of these are full-time hours, some of these say they start part-time, like some of them when I was looking at it last night, some said they start at 15 hours a week, but then they can go up to 30 hours a week depending on how you and the company get on. So if we look at this one here, this is a virtual marketing assistant at Profit Factory. So this is for 10 to 15 hours a week, and then it gives you a bit of information. So you can see here this job is posted on behalf of this company here by the Profit Factory. So you can go ahead and grab this here, this here, and then just click on go to, and you can go ahead and have a look at the site. So this is the site here that's called profitfactory.com. So this here so it's for entrepreneurs. So it's a site about helping entrepreneurs with their businesses to go ahead, build the businesses, streamline it. Look at, they've got services on here, they've got products available on here and about, etc. So this is the company who's advertising this job. Scroll down here, it'll give you some more information. So it tells you who the position is ideal for. So it's for a remote assistant who knows social media and how to increase followers. So pretty simple enough, to be honest. It tells you what experience you'll need, so Google Apps, Hootsuite, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram. Other details that are good to know, so the position is for 10 to 15 hours per week, but as you can see it can ramp up to 30 hours a week, and you'll see this a lot on a lot of these different listings, especially when it starts off part-time. A lot of them that I've looked at say that they can ramp up or be extended up to 25 to 30 hours a week. The starting pay, so this one here is $18 an hour, and then what they're looking for, and then it even goes through and it shows you step by step how you can apply to all of these jobs. So you know, this is the email you need to send off. This is the email you need to email, and then you've got on here this. I mean, this one's a bit structured, so this is what you need to include in the subject line, in the body of the email, etc., etc. So, and then you just simply click on apply. Ask you for, well, to be fair, most of these are going to go ahead and ask you for a CV, so you just upload your CV on here, and that's it really. That is pretty much it for this company here, this remote.co. It's really simple to do, it's quick to do, and it's free to get started with, and there's lots and lots of different companies on here who are looking for remote workers. So you can work anywhere in the world in this. Some of these different listings I've gone into and looked at. The one thing to note is it will say on here they would like you to work UK hours, or they would like you to work standard central time hours, or American hours, or whatever. So just double check the hours when you're working, because you won't want to apply for one of these and find out it's in another country and you're 12 hours behind. So when everyone's going to bed, you're just getting started working in your remote job. So if I just go back over here and click on the home page, I found the best way to go ahead and search for all of these different remote jobs is simply just to use the drop down box here on the right hand side and just go and look at the different job titles and go through it that way. But like I say, you can go on the home page here. You can see here there's currently 139 different companies that are advertising with them. They've got a blog on here, and then like I say, you can go into all these different jobs and you can be more specific with it, with the project manager jobs, customer service, writing jobs, etc. You've got Amazon on here. I saw Buffer earlier. So you've got lots and lots of big companies who are advertising on here as well. So go back up to the top, remote jobs on the right hand side, click this little box here, and then just go through and have a look at all of these different jobs. But there's something for everyone on here, there really is. But if you've not got particularly any skills, or you're just getting started out, or you just want to test the water with this, then go ahead and have a look at the virtual assistant jobs, because predominantly the virtual assistant jobs, they're normally around social media and helping someone to go ahead and do the Facebook posts, or the the Facebook posts, or the Twitter updates, or articles on LinkedIn. So virtual assistants are pretty easy to get started with. And that's today's video. So look, I'll go ahead and I'll leave a link to this below for you, but it's a pretty good website. It's free to sign up with. It's easy. You can see it's pretty easy to go ahead and work your way around the website and find exactly what you're looking for. But yeah, it's a really cool way to go ahead and earn some extra money. So I'll drop a link to that below for you. Feel free to go ahead and go over to the blog and grab these freebies down here which we mentioned about before. And yeah, thanks for watching today's video, and I shall see you tomorrow.